Do you know what separates millionaires from everyone else? It's not luck. It's not just hard work. It's a blueprint. A set of timeless steps anyone can follow to escape financial stress and build lasting wealth. In this video, I'll reveal 7 steps you can start using today to create your own millionaire blueprint in 2025. Step 1. Master your mindset. Wealth begins in the mind. Rich people focus on opportunities, not limitations. Train your mindset to see money as a tool, not a problem. Step 2. Pay yourself. First, millionaires invest in their future before spending on wants. Always save or invest a percentage of your income the moment you earn it. Step 3. Build multiple income streams. One job isn't enough. Whether it's investing, side hustles, or digital millionaires, multiply their sources of income. Step 4. Control your expenses. Millionaires don't fall into lifestyle inflation. They spend wisely, knowing that every dollar saved is a soldier that can go fight for more wealth. Step 5. Invest for growth. They don't keep money sitting idle. Stocks, real estate, businesses, millionaires put money to work so it grows while they sleep. Step 6. Leverage the power of networks. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with mentors, investors, and ambitious thinkers who push you higher. Step 7. Think long-term. Millionaires don't chase fast money. They focus on long-term wealth, patience, and compounding. That's the ultimate secret. Outro. Now you have the 7-step millionaire blueprint. Which step will you start today? Drop it in the comments below. Remember, success isn't about chance, it's about choice. Make yours today.